Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak English, but not little bit, and I understand English also, ma'am. If you talk to me English.
If you don't know how to communicate, there is no point of coming here. Better stay in the Philippines, okay? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, because I have experience, ma'am. In Saudi 3 years, Qatar 4 years and 6 months, Oman 2 years.
All right. Do you have any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
That's me.
Nothing. So are you healthy or do you have any health issues
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
body?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay? Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you have a lot of working experience, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why did you
Experience.
choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
It's because high salary, ma'am.
High salary. So do you think you are worth it with the increment salary here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what is the quality of being a good domestic helper then?
I am kind, responsible, patient, and hardworking nannies.
Can you help me
I
introduce
have,
yourself, please?
my name is Anilin Sarmiento. I'm 40 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 2 sons and 1 daughter. I'm high school graduate. I live in North Cotabato, Philippines. I have work experience in Saudi for 3 years, Oman 2 years, Qatar 4 years and 6 months. My main duty in Saudi is cooking, cleaning, ironing. Qatar to take care of 4 kids like 11 years old, 8 years old, or 6 years old, I think, and 4 years old. My main duty as a nanny to take keeping safe.
All right. So I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience, okay? You mentioned that you are married, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his
46,
occupation?
46 years old and occupation is farmer.
When is your birthday?
December 12, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 152.4 centimeter. My weight is 56.
What is your educational background? High
High school
school.
graduate now.
What is your religion?
Protestant.
You mentioned that you got three children, and according to your profile, ages 20, 17, and 15 years old, right?
Yes.
Who will going to look after your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother and my sister, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is a farmer. She finance, ma'am. She have own farm. And then my sister is there is her business also.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 64 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Uh, one brother and 3 sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Two. Second.
All right. So your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay, so working as a domestic helper is not new for you, knowing that you have a lot of working experience as a domestic helper, and you've been working for almost a decade already, correct? So according to
Yes,
your profile, it was stated, and according to you just a while ago, you worked in Oman for 4 years in 6 months, right?
yes, in
What
Qatar.
year did you started, and what in Oman you worked for 4 years and 6 months, correct?
No, ma'am. 2 years in Oman, ma'am, and Qatar 4 years and 6 months.
4 years.
Saudi is 2 years, three
Okay.
years.
So what year did you started in Saudi Arabia, and what year did you finish your contract?
Year 2014 to 2017, ma'am.
So you worked
Finish
there
contract.
for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So in Oman, what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2000, 2018 to 2020, I think,
All
or
right.
19.
2018 to 2020, you worked for 2 years.
Yes, of-
All right. You worked in Oman way back 2018 to 2020 for 2 years and you finished your contract, correct?
yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there to your previous employment in Oman?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry only, ma'am.
Only this.
Yes,
All right. After that, you worked in KSA way back 2014 to 2017 and you worked for 3 years, right?
yes,
So you only do also house chores. You didn't take care of any children or
yes. No,
all right. Are you the only helper inside the house or do you have companion?
only me, ma'am.
After
And
that,
all my only.
after KSA, you work in Qatar way back 2021 to 2025 and you work
Yes,
for 4 years and 6 months, right?
yes, ma'am.
What month in 2021 you started your employment there in Qatar?
February, February, ma'am.
In what month in 2025 you ended your contract?
November, November 30, 2025.
Okay. So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you take your children, which is 11, 8, 6, and 4 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All right. Are you the only helper inside the house, or do you have companion?
They have co-worker, ma'am. Two co-worker, ma'am. But the parents work. Me, I am assigned for children only to send them in school, give to send activities,
All right.
playing.
So I think you worked in Qatar for 4 years and February,
6 months.
9 months. Because
Six months, ma'am.
you started February 2021 and you ended November 2025, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I think 9 months. Sorry, ma'am, if I mistake.
Okay. 4 years and 9 months. After,
Okay.
so what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines?
Because, ma'am, I need experience another country. If I finish a contract of my employer, no problem, madam, I ma'am, but I need another country to experience. That's why I choose the Malaysia. I will try go there in Malaysia.
All right. So working here in Malaysia is not that so easy. And I don't want later that you were going to compare Middle East and Malaysia because it's a huge difference. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is very big one. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed to your previous employment. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you're gonna easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. And usage of handphone, you can hold it during nighttime only. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. And you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a strictly no go out policy. And if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How do you usually handle your homesickness once it's attacked you?
I will call to my family if I have rest time, and then I will listening a Christian song like that.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Anlene. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so
Okay,
much
ma'am.
and have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.